Welcome to Ashley's Farm Insight. In the southern Philippines, banana farmers battle typhoons, rising production costs, and devastating diseases like Panama wilt. Climate instability alone has reduced yields in several regions over the past few seasons. And yet, according to the latest 2024 data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, the country still produces around 8.9 to 9 million metric tons of bananas annually, remaining one of the world's top exporters, supplying Japan, China, and the Middle East. How does a region constantly tested by nature continue delivering millions of tons of export-grade bananas? The answer lies in precision farming, disciplined plantation management, and a remarkable aerial cableway system that moves heavy banana bunches across vast tropical fields without touching the ground. Let's step inside the plantations of Mindanao and discover how it's done. Bananas in the Philippines are primarily grown from tissue-cultured plantlets and healthy suckers, especially the globally dominant Cavendish variety. Cavendish bananas are favored because of their uniform size, high yield potential, and export resilience. Plantation managers carefully prepare the soil months before planting. The ideal soil must be well drained, rich in organic matter, and slightly acidic. Heavy tropical rains can cause waterlogging, so drainage canals are engineered across large farms to prevent root suffocation. Spacing is strategic. Banana plants are typically positioned around 2.5 to 3 meters apart, allowing airflow, sunlight penetration, and access for workers and cable systems later in the harvest stage. Drip irrigation systems are widely installed to deliver water directly to the root zone. This precision reduces water waste and helps maintain consistent moisture levels, especially during dry months. Fertilization programs combine organic compost with controlled release inorganic nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Because bananas are heavy feeders, nutrient timing is critical. Fertilizers are applied in cycles that match plant growth stages to maximize productivity. Integrated pest management programs are equally important. Diseases such as Panama disease, fusarium, wilt, and black sigatoka remain major threats. Plantation teams monitor leaf health weekly, applying biological controls and targeted fungicide treatments when necessary. Under optimal conditions, banana plants take approximately 9 to 12 months to produce fruit. But growing bananas is only half the story. Harvesting them efficiently without bruising is where innovation transforms the industry. When banana bunches reach maturity, each can weigh 30 to 45 kilograms and must be harvested while still green to withstand export transport. Timing is critical. Harvest too early and quality drops. Too late and the fruit becomes too fragile for shipping. Workers carefully cut the bunch using a curved knife, while another team member supports the weight to prevent impact damage. Instead of carrying these heavy loads across muddy plantation rows, most large-scale farms in Mindanao rely on an overhead cableway transport system. Here's how it works. Once workers cut a mature bunch using a curved harvesting knife, they gently lower it onto a padded shoulder support. The bunch is then attached to a metal hook connected to a suspended cable line running above the plantation rows. These cable lines stretch across entire farms, forming a moving aerial conveyor network. Powered either manually or by small motorized pulley systems, the banana bunches glide smoothly along the cables towards centralized packing stations. By accelerating field-to-packing transport and minimizing damage, cableway systems play a crucial role in protecting export-grade quality, turning efficient harvesting into a competitive advantage in the global banana trade. At the packing station, bunches are carefully lowered from the cable hooks and separated into smaller clusters known as hands. The first step is washing. Bananas are submerged in large water tanks to remove field debris, latex residue, and insects. Water quality is continuously monitored to maintain hygiene standards. Next comes quality inspection. Workers examine each hand for size uniformity and surface defects. Export-grade bananas must meet precise international specifications for length, thickness, and curvature. After sorting, the fruit undergoes fungicide treatment to prevent post-harvest diseases during shipment. This step is essential because bananas may travel for weeks in refrigerated containers before reaching overseas markets. The bananas are then air-dried and weighed. Each export carton typically contains around 18 to 20 kilograms of fruit, carefully arranged to prevent compression damage. Modern packing facilities use conveyor belts and digital weighing systems to maintain efficiency. Some advanced facilities also integrate barcode traceability, allowing exporters to track fruit batches back to specific plantation blocks. Not all bananas qualify for export. Lower-grade fruit is redirected to local markets or food processing plants, where it may be turned into banana chips puree or flour. In processing factories, green bananas are peeled, sliced to uniform thickness, and fried using continuous industrial fryers. Automated systems control oil temperature and frying duration to ensure consistent texture. After frying, chips pass through oil drain conveyors and cooling tunnels before seasoning and packaging using multi-head weighing machines. But the journey of bananas extends far beyond farms and factories. Bananas are among the Philippines' top agricultural exports. In 2024, the country exported over 2.2 million metric tons, generating approximately $900 million to $1 billion in revenue, with Japan and China as primary markets and growing demand from the Middle East. Globally, banana trade exceeds 20 million metric tons annually, worth tens of billions of dollars. In such a competitive market, even small reductions in post-harvest losses through systems like overhead cableways help protect significant export value. For the Philippines, efficiency and technology are critical to staying competitive. Behind every export shipment is a coordinated workforce across Mindanao. Thousands of workers handle planting crop, care harvesting, and packing operations. Harvest teams work in sync, cutting, supporting, and attaching heavy bunches to cable systems with precision to prevent damage. Agronomists monitor crop health while logistics teams manage cold chain exports. Despite climate risks and market pressure, These farming communities continue producing nearly 9 million metric tons annually, sustaining both livelihoods and a key pillar of the national economy. From carefully cultivated plantlets to overhead cableway systems, moving heavy bunches across tropical fields, banana farming in the Philippines is a powerful blend of resilience and innovation. Despite climate pressure and global competition, the country continues producing nearly 9 million metric tons of bananas each year, securing its place among the world's leading exporters. Behind every box of bananas lies engineering precision, economic strategy, and the dedication of farming communities who keep this industry moving forward. Thank you for watching Ashley's Farm Insight. We'll continue exploring the systems and stories that drive modern agriculture around the world.